In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Invoice on Jobber. Let's start from the Jobber dashboard. Open Jobber in your browser and sign in so you land on your home screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click the plus sign to begin creating something new. From the menu that appears, choose Invoice. This is the quickest way to start an invoice from anywhere in your account, and it ensures your document uses your default invoice settings like branding and numbering right from the start. Next, you'll connect the invoice to a client. In the client field, use the search bar and begin typing the client's name. Jobber will filter as you type, so look for the correct match and select it. If you don't see the client you need, click the option to create a new client. It's important to make sure you're not duplicating an existing profile. Take a second to confirm spelling or try searching by company name if you're unsure. When creating a new client, you'll be taken to the primary contact details screen. Start by choosing a title if you use one. Options like Mr., Miss, Mrs., or Doctor can help keep your records tidy, but this field is optional. Add the first name and last name carefully, matching the way you want it to appear on invoices. If this is a business, include the company name as well. That way, your invoice can display both the person and the organization when needed. Enter a phone number with the full area code and confirm it's a number the client actively uses. Add an email address you know is accurate, since invoices and receipts are often sent there. Finally, enter the address. Include the street, unit, or suite, if applicable, city, region, and postal code. This helps with accurate billing and makes future scheduling easier. Once everything looks correct, click Save Client. Jobber will store the profile and return you to the invoice you started, now with the client attached. Take a quick glance to confirm the right client is selected and that the contact information appears as expected. Clean, accurate client data here prevents delays later when you send the invoice. That's it for setting up an invoice and connecting it to a client in Jobber. We navigated to the invoice screen, searched for an existing client, and when needed, created a brand new client with complete contact details before saving. Follow these steps each time to keep your invoicing fast, consistent, and professional. Thanks for watching, and you're ready to move on confidently to completing and sending your invoice.